Hello guys, so this is my first video on SQL. So from today onwards we will start from basic and day by day we'll go on moderate and after that we'll go for advanced in SQL. So if you are struggling to write a SQL query, then definitely this video for you, or else you tried, for a long period of time to learn a SQL, despite of watching a multiple video in YouTube, you're not able to understand, then definitely this video gonna helpful for you. So let's first understand why we use SQL. So let's suppose if you are handle a million of record in some organization and your director wants some report from that table, then sometime for Excel it's hard to impossible find inside that a table. So we'll in you will introduce the SQL to overcome that problem. So basically SQL what gonna do that? SQL help to store the data first. Okay, so storing the data means let's suppose William of record in you have in a billion of record in organization have and it store in the database. So whenever you want some information of that database, you just go write the query, get the information from that database. So SQL is gonna help and retrieving the data. So like you wants to do any kind of modification from that table, you can easily, I mean, update the table, analyze the data means any kind of report you want from that table you can do easily with the help of SQL. So because of that SQL is introduced and many more reasons is also there. So being a data analyst will use SQL to analyze the report. So first we'll write the small query. So this is my database GDB041. So in this database we have a five table inserted in database. So because of we'll write some query and we'll get the information from this database. So in this database, three dimension and two fact table we have. So let's check first a customer table. So in customer table, we have column customer, market, platform, channel, and customer code. So simply we'll write a select. Select what select do? They select the information from this table. So let's suppose I want some information from this table. We use select command. So select customer name, customer, market, market and channel. Channel from dim database, right? Dim table. Then if you once execute this query, it will fetch the customer, market and channel from this table. Okay. And what is G GB GDB041? So this is our database where all the information is stored and I'm retrieving the data from this database. Okay. So select command used to select the data from table. Okay. And what is the next question we have? Sorry, I guess I've deleted all the question. Okay. So next question. Next question is like I want to check the unique customer name from this table. Then use the distinct command. So distinct command what do? They check each row in the column and fetch only unique record. So let's write the query. So select distinct customer from dim customer. Correct. Dim customer is our table name. So once you execute this query, it will fetch only the unique record in the customer column. Okay. So this is the unique record from customer column. Let's do the next query. So this time we'll use, where clause. Why we use where clause? We use the where clause to filter the record from table. So we have market and platform and channel. So in a channel we have retailer, we have direct, or this kind of channel we have a payment mode. And the what is the market name is India, and other market name is also there. Okay, India, Spain, Italy, and all our market is there, and this is customer code. So I want only to see check the India market where customer name and platform and channel name. So the market only is India, and apart from that, all the data should be there in the table. So how do that? How will do that? So we'll use where close to filter the data. So then use select star from dim customer. Okay, where where a market is equal to India, right? India, and then execute this query. It will show you only the India record. Okay, there's no other, a data in a market column. सो आज के लिए बस हम लोग इतना ही करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो हम लोग देखेंगे अदर कमांड लाइक सॉर्टिंग कैसे करते हैं, ग्रुपिंग कैसे करते हैं. फिर मेनली हम डीपली समझेंगे ज्वाइंस को, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द the new student have problem in join, so I'll explain very deep way in join. So guys, let's do the comment how you and like the video. If you, I mean, if you feel this video is gonna helpful for you, then please like. Thank you for the day.